We have the infinite input tape, A, B, C, like that. Okay, this is a blank symbol. This is infinite. Okay, so now there is a control in it, the control machine. So it is pointing to the input tape. Okay, now it is process. It can read left to right, right to left. Okay, and it is also, after reading, it also can write the sum symbol. For example, after reading A, it may be write the X. Okay, it may be write the X. This is the basic tuning machine. So we have the infinity tape and control in it. It pointing to the read write it to the input tape. Okay, this is a basic tuning machine. So what is a multi-track tuning machine? So we have the multiple tracks. We have the multiple tracks. Multiple tracks. So before that, you have the blank symbols. For example, this is a multiple tracks A, B, and B, C, and some blank symbols. Okay, this is a infinity tape. Okay, you have the multiple cells within a column. For example, this is a column. So we have the one column. So within column, we have the multiple cells. Okay. So now in this, all machines, in all machines, what is the out of the function? What is the out of the function? If you see the finite automata, push down automata, tuning machine, what is the heart of the functions? Can you tell me anyone? What is the heart of the function? So we have discussed the DFA, NFA, epsilon NFA, and push down automata tuning machine. In all this, what is the art of the function? So like a human being, if you don't have an our heart, so can you live? Same like in all these machines, what is the art of this function? Can you tell me? So can you tell me anyone? Okay, the transition function. Okay, so the transition function is out of all machines. Okay, the remaining things simple. We can understand the input alphabet and final state, all these things. Okay, uh, finite set of states. Okay, so in basic tuning machine, what is a transition function? So for example, the control is the state at q, okay, tq. So it reads the A, it reads A. Now it goes to some state, okay, some arbitrary states. For example, Q next state, Q next state, writes the X, and the read write head can move to the left or right. So maybe it can move the right side, okay. This is a basic tuning machine or transition function, okay. Now in this multi track, so what is a transition function? Okay, for example, the machine is at, let us assume, start with at q state, okay, pointing to A and B, it pointing to the multi-track. So it reads the for example A, it takes the input symbols A and B, okay, A and B, like this. Okay, this is a multi-track. So in multi-track, it takes the all input symbol from each and every track. Okay, from the first track takes the input symbol A, and from the second track it takes the B input symbol. Okay, now it goes to some arbitrary state. Okay, for example, Q next state. Okay, Q next state. So now the state can read A and B kada. So maybe it can write X on A. Maybe the B, after reading B, it may be write Y. So and it can move to the left or right. So in place of A, it can write X in place of Y. Okay. Now it can maybe move left or right. Okay, left or right. So this is a transition function for multi-track. Okay. For example, if you have one more track, sure. For example, if you have for example, you have one more track. The blank symbol. If you have one more track. For example, this is C, this is B, this is A. For example, okay, blank icon. Okay, na? So now we can read this one also. We can read C and it can write some X and Y, Z. Okay, can X and Y, Z. Okay, like that. How many tracks are there? Those many input symbols we can read and you can write. Okay, this is a transition function of multi-track tuning machine. Okay, so is it okay? Understand what is a multi-track tuning machine? So now we'll see, for example, this is machine A. Now this is machine B. Okay, this is machine A. This is machine B. So now B says that A's challenge. B's challenge to A's. Yes, I am graded to you. So I am, for example, here we have only one track. So I have three tracks. So my power is 3 into U. Okay, 3 into U. So 3 into U. Okay. So now A proves that no. So I am equivalent to you. So A shows that no, I am equivalent to you. Then B says that, oh, how can you prove that? How can you prove that? Can you challenge? Can you prove that? Yes, I can prove that whatever you doing, whatever you accepting the language, I am also accepting the same thing. Okay. So that we will see how A is can prove that B is doing. Okay. So here here even B has a multiple tracks. So they both are equivalent. Okay, the both are equivalent. Okay. So now we will see how A can prove that B is doing something. B is accepting something. Okay. So that we will see. Okay. So one way is that in B machine, if you fill with the first track, then if you keep empty remaining tracks, then somehow we can accepting. Somehow we can accepting. Okay, we can process the like basic tuning machine. Okay, if the B machine has only one track content input symbol, then remainings are empty content, then we can say that both are equivalent. Okay. So, but if you have the all tracks are some input symbols, then how A shows the equivalent. Okay, that we will see. Okay. Then here the both the acceptance of power of language is the same. Okay, but the input symbols may be changed, that we will see. Okay, the acceptance of power of language is same. It is a basic tuning machine or this multi-track tuning machine. See here, this is a multi-track tuning machine. This is multi-track tuning machine. A, B, now A, C. Okay, now B, C. This is C, B, C. Now after that, we can replace the. This is C. After that, we can place the blank symbols. Okay. This is a multi-track system. Okay, na? So here, what is input? What is input alphabet here? A, comma, B, comma, C. Okay. So, but what is the tau alphabet? Tau alphabet A, comma, B, comma, C, and blank symbol. Okay, na? Okay, na? Just I'm replacing A and B only. Okay. If you want, you can take X and Y and Z blank symbol. Okay. For example, okay, if you want confusion in place of the A, B, so I can place the X and Y and Z and blank symbol. Okay, this is a some tau alphabet. Okay, now we will take the basic tuning machine. Basic tuning machine. Basic tuning machine. This is a basic tuning machine. This is A, B, A, C, B, C, no, blank symbol, B, B. Okay, this is the basic tuning machine. Now in this control is pointing to some, this is one, this track. Now in this, the control is pointing to this one. Okay. So now see here in multi-track system. So here the input symbols are A and B, comma C here. But in this input alphabet is AB. Okay, AB and AC and BC. Okay, BC. So please observe that these are unbreakable. Okay, this is only one input symbol. This is one input symbol. Okay, see here the input symbols are different, but the acceptance of the concept is the same here. The input symbol are different, but the concept is same. That means acceptance of the language is same. Okay, na? See here in this. So first C is in multi-track. In multi-track, C is pointing to A and C. So it read at Q0 at Q state, and it read A, and it reads C, and it goes to some state. Some state, for example, Q next state, some arbitrary state. Okay. And in place of A, it replaces X. Okay. So now in place of C, maybe it replaces the some okay, some Z and Z. Okay, some Z, and it can move to the right side. It can move to the right side. Okay. This is okay now. So the first multi-track system, how the transition function is taking. Okay, a Q reads A and C and it goes to some next arbitrary state. So it writes some X on A and write C on Z and it moves to the right hand side. Okay. So now see here the basic tuning machine. So A and B is only single input alphabet. A and C is a single input alphabet. B and C is single input alphabet. They are not unbreakable. They are not unbreakable. Okay. So now C is also pointing to the same A and C, AC. So AC. So the state is a Q, and it reads the input AC. Okay, AC. Okay, AC. Now it goes to some state Q now, some state X, some arbitrary state. Okay, so now it changes it. So in place of A, it can write the X. In place of C, it can place the Z. So what is here? X and Z. It can move to the R. Okay. See here. So the acceptance of the language is the same. See here, the input of multi-track system AB, AC, BC. But here AB, AC, BC line. Okay. So like that, we can show that the basic tuning machine is equivalent to the basic tuning machine is equivalent to the multi-track system, multi-track tuning machine, multi-track tuning machine. Okay. Like that. So here the input symbols are different. The input symbols are different, but the power of acceptance of the language is the same. Okay, the acceptance of the. So now, is there any doubts in this? See here, we are only conceptually understanding 80%. Okay, we are understanding 80% conceptually. So if you want to understand the 100%, you are going to formally you are going to define this one. Okay, you are going to take one example, you can do it like that. Okay, so by single time you cannot understand, so you can read again textbook and you can do the more some problems. Okay, so conceptually we can understand 80%. If you want to understand 100%, just you can go to formally defining and do this some problems. Okay, so now is it okay? The now what is a basic tuning machine? What is a multi-track tuning machine? How it is prove that basic tuning machine is equivalent to the multi-track tuning machine? Okay, so please you log in with the same link. Okay. So in this, any doubts in this? I think